Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will see how to use the text area in our swing class. The JTextArea class provides a component that displays the multiple line of text and optionally allow the user to edit the text. If you need to obtain only one line of input from the user, you should use a text field. I just told you that. So if you want the text area to display it, text using multiple fonts or other styles, you should use an editor pen or text pen for it. And if the display text has a limited length and is never added by the user, so you can use the label for that. So now we just come to the JTextArea. So the JTextArea object of our JText class is a multi-line region that display the text, and it's allow the editing of the multiple line text too. So it's inherit JText component class, and now we just go to the library of java x.swing, and I just import the swing library, and this is a class name which is class JText area. So here I just write JText area as a method, and then J frame which is equal to new J frame. So object, and the object name here is F. Now J text area, and here I just write area which is equal to new J text area, and here I just write welcome to Java course. Okay, and then area dot set boundaries, and here I just write 10, 30, 200 and 200, and now I just add the area means call the object for f dot set, and sorry, f dot add, and we have the area as a component, and then f dot set size, and the size here is 300 and 300, and then f dot set layout, and this is the layout which is null, and f dot visible which is true. Now we just come to the main method, and in the main method I just call like public static void main, and here I just call my class name, and then new and j text area. Okay, now just check the output. So proceed, and it's loading, and yes, this is the output. You can see here multiple line text, and you can see here I just write multiple line of text for this field. Okay, so this is the Java JTextArea example. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.